Google Search Console is a free service that helps you manage your site's presence in Google search results. The Search Keywords panel shows how visitors locate your site. You must first connect and verify your site before you can view this panel by going into Analytics. Once your account is connected, wait 72 hours for the data to populate. After 72 hours, you'll be able to view your top keyword analytics. You can request Google to index your site. This allows Google to review your site and help update search results with your new content. There are two ways to do this. You can index your whole site by submitting a sitemap in Google Search Console. In the dashboard, click Sitemaps. Under Add a new sitemap, type sitemap.xml. Click Submit to request Google to index your site. The other way to index your site is to submit individual page URLs using the URL inspection tool. In the dashboard, click URL inspection. Enter the full URL of a page that hasn't been indexed. Then click Request Indexing. Repeat for any additional page URLs. Let us know if you have any other questions. We're always here to help.